And so this drink, I call it Fruitelli kind of drink, and you're going to love it because the nature and everything, the taste is just like your Fruitelli. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, and share this video for me. Okay, so I'm going to make use of carrots. I'm going to make use of turmeric, cinnamon stick, apple, and also orange. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I'll also add pineapple to it. So I've already peeled the pineapple and I'm boiling. I'm going to boil the peels. I'm adding the cinnamon sticks to it. I will add my carrots to it. Yes, I don't want to throw any chaff away. I want everything in the drink. So when you boil it, that is when you blend it, you don't get any chaff to throw away. And also research shows that when you boil your carrots, you get the benefit more than when you chew it raw. You can Google it. So I allowed the carrot to boil for a while before I added the apple to it. So now everything is okay. I'll put it off and let it cool. Okay, so I have some of the water and the apple and carrot in the blender. I'm going to blend it. I'm blending it plus the turmeric, and so you see after blending, looking very smooth. You don't have to strain and throw anything away. This is orange juice. Yes, this orange juice, and I'm going to add it to the blender, rinse with it, and then add it to the drink. Yes, what I have in the jar. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I use the remaining of the the remaining of the pineapple peel water to blend the pineapple and also strain it. And so that's what I'm adding to it. And I'm going to stir it. This, you don't need to add any sugar. You will love it. Ankasa ankasa. The taste is awesome. It's just like your home. It's just like when you buy Fruitelli, the way the taste is. Try this recipe and you're going to love it. So I took it to the fridge for you to chill a bit, and this is it, Charlie. This drink was awesome. Give it a try and you're going to love it. Ankasa, ankasa, ankasa. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Bye bye.